Okay, it's Daniel. I'm back. I am doing a review of 5 keyboards. The next one is the ZAGGfolio. These are for the iPad 2. ZAGGfolio. It's got very nice looking kind of fake. I don't know what to call this. This is like not really carbon fiber, but looks like it could be kind of design. And it's a flexible case here, and then you can see the keys here. So let me see if I can get these to not be blurry. 1 second. Alright, so these are the various keys that we'll review. It's nice that it has copy and paste keys. I guess all the ZAGG keyboards do. That's awesome. So let's see how this bad boy performs. See if it has a little bit of battery on it. And I'm going to hit the connect button. So as I'm hitting connect, I'm going to put this guy in, and the iPad, I guess it kind of slides in, I think is the way that it's supposed to work. So let's try that. See if that's right. Now I've got this blue case. Let me get this to not be blurry for you. Okay, there we go. So I've got this skin on it that it's just going to kind of ruin. Yeah, the skin's coming off, so it does not work well with skins. And I'm going to go ahead and connect this guy up. So go to Bluetooth, get rid of the Adonit Writer, which we just reviewed last, and pair this guy. Type in 6141 and then enter. Okay, so now we're connected. Now this keyboard is very similar to, in fact, it's identical to this keyboard. This one is currently my favorite. It's the one that I've been using, and the keyboard I think is exactly the same. So the difference between these two is going to be whether you want to have kind of full cover protection for the iPad, which you do with this one. As you can see, it's bulkier because it has a clamshell design. It looks like it's supposed to, yeah, it does, so it clicks together here. So that's pretty cool, I guess. But I don't like the bulkiness of it, and I also don't like that I can't use this, my Apple cover, with this keyboard, right? I mean, obviously it would make no sense to have this thing on it, so I wouldn't be able to use it. But let's go ahead and test the keyboard. Imagine it's going to perform very similarly to this other one right here, which I like a lot. So the keyboard probably will be pretty good. Okay, so let me just select all and delete. Now the Adonit Writer 2 had a time of 1 minute 45 seconds. And let's see how this one does in comparison. So here we go. And then I want to grab this. And I can just hit the cut, and then up here, the paste, and I'm done. So amazingly, this keyboard actually did it faster. I could do this faster than on the laptop. I did it in 51 seconds. On the laptop, it took me 56 seconds, which that is incredible. And on the Adonit Writer, it took me 1 minute and 46 seconds. So it just goes to show the value of having keys that are spaced far apart from each other. Let me just show you the difference in the keys. Let me take the Adonit back out of its box here and show you the difference in the key spacing, because it is pretty incredible how well this ZAGG keyboard is laid out as compared to the Adonit. I don't know if it's going to really show, but there's a lot more space somehow, even though these keyboards, I guess the ZAGG, yeah, I mean, it's just about the same width, right? There's not really somehow these keys are just so much more spaciously laid out on the ZAGG. I can't tell you how hugely different the ZAGG keyboard or Logitech keyboard feels as compared to this one. So it's just a world of difference, and in fact it's twice as fast and even faster than the laptop was, which is amazing. So I'm going to put this Adonit back in its case. So this is the ZAGGfolio, and just to kind of show you these keys again, here they are. So I can go to the home screen, I can search, I can do photos, I can pull up a keyboard. I guess that's what this is supposed to do. I'm not sure, it's not doing anything right now, but maybe if I'm in, let me just try being in here. Yeah, I don't know what this, I would assume this would be to pull up an on-screen keyboard, but it doesn't seem to be really doing anything. It's this one right here. So, I don't really know. And then it has the cut, paste, or cut, copy, and paste, so I can keep pasting text here, as well as music keys, volume, and then screen lock. So that's the Logitech or it's actually not Logitech at all, I guess. It's just ZAGGfolio. So ZAGGfolio, keyboard made by ZAGG that Logitech also uses, the ZAGGfolio keyboard. And I'm just going to slide the iPad back out, and so there's the iPad without the keyboard in it. Okay, so that's keyboard number 2.